Oh my goodness. Oh, hello there. I'm here to introduce this song, but I need some help from my friend. And she is so very sweet. And she has very pink glasses. Here she comes. Hello there. Hi there. What was that? I don't know. Oh my goodness. Hi. So, what are we here for, Fred? I don't know. And who keeps doing the peace sign? I have no idea. Well, anyway, we're looking for our friend. There it is again. Boy, oh boy, what a mystery. Listen, anyway, so right now we need to call our friend. His name is Mr. Fuzz. So, get ready. 1, 2, 3. Mr. Fuzz, come here. Hello there. Oh, but, I'm missing my fuzzy bird glasses. Okay, go ahead and put them on. There. Oh, my good. Oh, they fell off. Oh, boy. Anyway, Mr. Fuzz, he keeps on losing his glasses.
A little bit later.
Oh, my goodness. Well, the mouse took a nap, and Mr. Fuzz went to look for his glasses. So I'm here by myself. But I heard a rumor that a wizard was going to come and help give me a name. I've always wanted a name. Wait, yes. I wonder what it's going to be. Let's see. Wizard, are you around?
Oh, sorry about that. Hi, how you doing there, Frog?
Well, not too bad, but I'd love to have a name. Are you going to give me one?
Sure. How about Cinderella?
I don't know about that one. That seems like it's taken.
Rumpelstiltskin?
Same thing. I think that one is taken too.
Fred?
Oops. Excuse me. Well, that's okay, yeah. Sure. Fred sounds good.
Okay, Fred it is. From now on, you are Fred.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Okay, I've got to go. See you later.
Bye, everybody. Oh, boy. Well, hi, Mouse. Okay, so I got a name. My name is Fred. Oh, that's a wonderful name. I love that name. Oh, my goodness. Well, I wonder if Mr. Fuzz is okay there. Sorry. I keep losing my glasses. Anyway, do we have a job here? Yeah, we're gonna listen to a song called Bell Tower. And let's do some dancing, you guys. Sounds like a plan. Okay, I'll get my glasses. Hold on. Bye. See you later. My goodness. Hello everybody, it's Red here. Hi, I really hope you guys liked it. I really love that song. What did you guys think, huh?
Oh, yes, indeed. I thought that was very, very good. Enjoyed it. Yes, indeed. It gave me lots to think about.
Yeah, Mouse and I, well, we really liked it too. Yeah, indeed. So glad we heard it. So glad. What about you, Mr. Fuzz? Still can't find my glasses, but the music made me very happy. Yeah. Anyway, folks, I believe we have one more message from Runaway Chicken. Goodbye. Bark, 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 bark.